guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve online on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve online on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter your Facebook app and you can click in this page. Then you will enter your first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can update your app on Play Store here. In this blue sign, you can update it. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.